Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some contact lens. As you guys see by the title, I will be reviewing the Ttdeye, tongue twister, Ttdeye contact lens. I've just been looking for contact lens that work well with my brown eyes because if you guys remember, if you guys have been with me, maybe you're new here, I did review some other contact lens from a different company and they just didn't work for my brown eyes. They look so beautiful on their website and then I put them on my eyes and you couldn't even tell. So that was definitely a letdown. And I received an email from Ttdeye seeing if I wanted to review their contact lens. And I have tried Ttdeye about 2 to 3 years ago and I remember loving these contact lens so much, but I did move from like 3 years ago up until now, so I lost my contacts. This video is not sponsored. I want to make sure that that's out there. They are not paying me to review their products. They just sent these contact lenses for me to share my opinions, my thoughts, and I want to be completely honest with you guys because I wouldn't want to tell you guys that this is amazing if it's not. If you guys decide to order it, you guys will see it for yourself. I thought that I should mention that to you guys. The moment that I placed an order on these contact lenses, it took about 2 weeks for me to receive them. They do come from outside of the US, so the shipping does take a little bit longer. With all that being said, I did choose 4 contact lenses and I chose Polar Lights Brown, I chose Polar Lights Blue, I chose Polar Lights Gray, and I also have, I don't know which one this one is. The 4th contact lens that I ordered is Egypt Yellow. I'm going to be trying all of these contact lenses for you, so if you're interested in seeing what they look like on my brown eyes, then just keep watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't want to be.
A few things that I wanted to talk about before trying these contact lenses is that you're supposed to, I'm reading off of the website, before the first time wearing, please soak the lenses in multi-purpose contact lens solution for at least 6 hours. The next thing that I'm going to mention to you guys is that you're supposed to rinse and scrub your lens every 2 to 3 days to prevent protein precipitation, which is not good for your eyes. That's really important for you to do if you plan to use these like very often. If you guys do decide to purchase any of these contact lenses or any contact lens from their website at all, you can get 10% off by using my discount code Tracey. That does earn me commission and you also get 10% off, so that helps me and it helps you. So thank you so much for your support. Now let's try these bad boys on. Each contact lens comes with a little container and the contact holder. It comes with the little clamp. If you have nails, it's kind of easy to get the contact lens out of your eye with this. And it's kind of scary to get it near your eye, but I remember using these and the silicone part really gets the contact lens out easily. And, oh shoot, where's the other one? And it also comes with this little thing that you put the contact lens on and then you just pop it like right in there. I'm only going to put one contact in so you guys can see the difference and see if you guys can even tell the difference. I'm pretty sure that you can. I'm going to try the Polar Lights Brown first because I remember loving this one. This is the one that I remember the most out of the contact lens that I previously tried from them. So here it is. These here once again are called Polar Lights Brown. These are my absolutely favorite contact lens, and they look just like I remembered them. You can also order subscription lens from their website if you need them. I'm also going to insert the picture that appears on their website, and you guys can see the comparison between what you see on the website and what you get in real life. The next contact lens that I'm going to be trying on are Polar Lights Blue, and this is what these look like. They have a little bit of yellow around the pupil of the eye. These are also really pretty and really comfortable. I like that these contact lenses blend really well from the pupil area out. It just makes it softer on the eyes, and I'm also going to insert a picture here so you guys can compare what you see online and what you see in real life. These next ones that I'm trying on are called Polar Lights Gray. As you guys can see, they're very clear. It's almost hard to believe how they show up on my eyes, but they're very, very pretty. I like the fact that they make my eyes look drastically different. Is that a word? I don't know if I'm saying drastically right. Drastically. Why does it sound wrong? They just make my eyes look extremely different, and I love that. I'm also going to be inserting a picture here so you guys can see the difference. The last pair of contact lens is called Egypt Yellow Green. I think I might have said Egypt Yellow in the beginning of the video, but it's actually Egypt Yellow Green contact lens. I was a little bit scared when I first seen these contact lenses because the perimeter of them is just really dark, but I ended up loving these. These are my favorite out of all of them. They just look really different and like bold. I don't know. I could almost be one of the Twilight cast members with these. I dig them. Here's a comparison of what you see on the website and what the contact lens look on my brown eyes. I had to pop on the other lens because I don't know, these are, I didn't expect to like these that much. They're a little bit out there and really bright, but I love them. Is that kind of weird? I wasn't sure that I was gonna like the fact that it has like a dark outlining around the eye area, as you guys can see. I don't have a problem with these at all. These are so pretty. I remembered liking these contact lenses for a damn reason. I'm so happy that they sent me over these 4 contact lenses that I'm able to share with you guys and tell you guys about them, because this is finally a positive review. I love the fact that they don't look exactly like they do online, but this is by far the best contact lens that appear semi true to color on my brown eyes. I love them. What do you guys think about them? Do you guys think that they look like they do on the website? Contact lenses are usually like showcased on people that have lighter colored eyes, so it's difficult to tell whether you're gonna like them on your dark brown eyes. If you're watching this video, you're probably on the lookout for contact lens, and these definitely work really good on brown eyes. What were your favorite contact lens that I tried on for you guys? Let me know what your favorites were. I think this one and the gray ones were definitely some of my favorite ones. They're just very dramatic from what my eyes actually are, so I think that's why I like them a lot more. Before I leave you guys, I also wanted to share with you guys the contact lens solution that I like to use. I have very sensitive eyes, so I've just been loving this one here. This is the Bosch and Lom. Bosch Lom. I'm such a dumbass. I don't know how to pronounce that. This is a saline solution. Girl, you know I don't know how to read. This here says that it's gentle, it's pH balanced with potassium. This is really good for rinsing them and also for storing your contact lens. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and also don't forget to use my discount code Tracey if you guys like these contact lenses just as much as I do. You do get 10% off. Also turn on post notifications so that you don't miss out on any future uploads. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!